Hey everyone, we are back with the hard question series. Now, if you're very good with the practice, you should try these hard questions because now we have decoded the SAT pattern that is being followed this year by analyzing, by observing, and many of the students who gave August and September SET, they told us what kind of questions were there and we tried to decode them. Now, this is going to be helpful for all the students who are going to appear in the upcoming SETs. Do drop me in which month SET are you planning for? And in the coming videos, you will see most repeated questions, hard questions, all the different level of questions that SAT is following because SAT is now changing its pattern. It is not about how it used to do, how questions used to come last year. This time you might see a different variations. So you should be ready beforehand. Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it because you're going to miss out many things if you'll not subscribe it. So do subscribe it. Let's move forward, and today we are gonna talk about two important questions, and both of them are from geometry. I if you find many I know the students to whom I teach, for them geometry is considered as one of the toughest domain. Do let me know yours. Is it so? Is it same for you? Or if not, then which domain is challenging for you? Drop it in the comment sections. Let's focus on this question number 1. You all can stop the video, you can try and then see the solution. In quadrilateral KLMN, shown in the figure below, KL is 3, LM is 3, KN is 22, MN is 22. Diagonals KM and LN intersects at point G, where GK is 1, GM is 1. If the length of the diagonal N ln is root s plus root t, where s and t are integers, what is the value of s plus t? Now, the simple idea here is whatever values are given, you just try to mark it on that figure. That will make it much more easier to understand what is the first step you're going to do. Okay, how from where you'll start your calculation thing. So, let's get started. All right. So firstly, I'll draw the diagonal. That will make it easy for me, right? And the point where diagonals intersect, that point is already given, that is G. Now KL is given, this is 3, LM is also 3, KN is 22. Similarly, MN is also 22, right? It's a kite, right? In kite, edges and sides are same. So nowadays, initially, it doesn't used to ask you quadrilaterals related questions very much, but nowadays it has included the properties, the quadrilaterals questions. I will show you one rhombus questions as well. So please go through the properties of different quadrilaterals once. If you know the property, you're good to go. Okay, so in the coming videos, I'm going to show you all the different types of quadrilateral questions that SAT is asking. Now, one more thing it is given that ln is a diagonal which is uh, root s plus root t. So can I say this is root s and can I say this is root t? Now, overall, what you have to do, you have to find the value of s, find the value of t, and then add both of them together. Let's do it. In triangle, LGM, apply Pythagoras theorem because this is 1. GM is 1. So I can apply Pythagoras theorem. How would I do that? It is LM square equals LG square plus GM square. Put all the values that are given to you. So LM square is what? 3 square, which is 9. So I'll write 3 square. LG square is what? Root S square plus GM is 1 square. 3 square is 9. Root is there and square is there, so it'll cancel out because how can I write this? I can write this, I can remove this radical by writing 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 get removed, it is S. Always remember if there's a square root and then square, both gets cancelled out, right? Equals to 1. So what is S? From here it is 9 minus 1. right? Similarly, I have to solve for t. So I'm directly writing it in triangle NGM. I know that this could be find out, under root t whole square could be find out by subtracting 22 square minus 1. Now from here you can get the direct value of k, which is gonna be 443. Now you just add both of them. This is 8. This is 443. Do let me know in the comment section when you are adding s plus t what you'll get. And if you have any other method, to easier method than this to solve this question, do let me know in the comment section so that other students can also follow it and they can also apply the same method in their question. Coming to the next question, this is pretty important. This is from unit circle. Now there are three variations of questions that you will find in from unit circle. One is 30 60 90 type of triangle. Second is you will apply that what is tan theta, it is perpendicular opposite side over adjacent side, or sine theta opposite side over hypotenuse, or else the third method that I'm gonna tell you, we will solve this question with that method. Okay, if you want to know the first two concepts, please go to the most repeated videos in the most repeated questions in SAT playlist. There you will find the detailed explanation of the other concepts. Unit circles, the first two concepts. Now let's find out. First, always remember whenever these type of questions are given, always draw it. So there is a circle, there is a center. Now this center is what? It is G. Now there is a point 1 comma 0. This is F, and there is a point somewhere here, let's say, which is H, and it is negative 5 over root 89. Now whenever you have complex angles, let me write first. They are asking you to find out P. I'm not going to find this angle. Why? Because trigonometric ratios cannot apply in the angle greater than 90, right? It is always applied less than 90, so I'll always apply, I'll consider this as P. Now whenever it is given like that, I know this x-axis is the x coordinate is considered as r cos theta, and y coordinate is considered as r sine theta. R is 1 because it's a unit circle where radius is 1. So I'll directly compare. From here I can write cos theta means cos p here. Okay. Angle is p here. So I can write cos p equals negative 5 over root 89 and sine p as 8 over 89. Divide both of them. This will get cancelled out and you're left with negative 5 over 8. That would be your answer. I hope it is clear. If you have any other method to do this question in an easier way, do let us know in the comment section. And get ready for upcoming questions. Make sure after watching this video, you are practicing by your own and keep a note of all these questions at one place, because at the time of your test, when your test will be closed, you must revise them, otherwise you will mess up everything. So that's all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video with some more hard questions. Do drop me a mail if you have any doubt. If you want to ask any question, you can click a picture and send it to me. Thank you for so much for watching. Bye bye.